दोस्तों, एम्प्लॉयर ऑफ प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनीज, कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी, फैक्ट्री मैनेजर, लाइसेंसिंग कंपनी, consultancy services, civil engineering works, even factory, manufacturing unit, small and medium enterprises, small and medium businesses, shops and establishments, or any office, or even housing society, credit unions, public trusts, NGOs, sanstha, sangathan, mandal, patperi, or any office or society required to maintain law stationery, register books, abstract charts, cards, industrial law books, bare acts, labor law books, society bylaws, society rule books to be displayed or kept for personal knowledge and to maintain for labor officer concerned government inspector for August 2022. Get law stationery in premium quality from Bapuji Stationery, Mart Pare lease since 1948, Monday to Saturday 11 a.m. to strictly 6 p.m. Link in the bio. Thanks a lot for watching.